In this video, let me show you how to create a meme coin on Moonshot. First, link your crypto wallet, like MetaMask, to the Moonshot platform. After that, navigate to the token creation section on Moonshot. Now set your meme coin's name, symbol, supply, and distribution plan. Next, use Moonshot's interface to deploy your meme coin smart contract. After that, provide initial liquidity on a supported DEX or AMM. Finally, market your meme coin through platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. Remember, creating and promoting a meme coin comes with responsibility. Always follow legal and regulatory guidelines. And that's how you make a meme coin in Moonshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.